This is a good company only because everyone who works for the company is a good person. The people are more important than the company, and our good name depends on each of you. And that good name is what makes us all proud and happy.
It was very inspiring to meet the person of whom this company is named, who still has such a passion. He really actually embodied all of the core values that we have here at Honda of America Manufacturing today, which are dreams, joy, challenging spirit, passion, and respect for the individual.
I grew up in this community. My father also worked for Honda.
I've stayed at Honda for 26 years because it provides stability for my family.
I'm from Dallas, Texas, and it was a big move coming here. Never thought I'd be living in Ohio, and now here I am.
For a veteran coming into Honda, it's great. I was looking at a career after shortly coming out of the United States Coast Guard as a machinery technician, so I looked at Honda as an opportunity for growth.
It truly is rewarding to come into a place or a company like this and work towards that common goal. We build great products. I drive a Honda vehicle, and my children have been driving Honda vehicles. My family members drive Honda vehicles, and we absolutely love them.
Seeing the impact that I could make, seeing that car that I had impacted out on the road, seeing the changes that I had put forward, I knew that I could immediately step in with Honda and begin to make changes and begin to improve cars just from day one.
I think mainly what drew me to Honda was the sense of teamwork, because I was amazed at how small it actually felt by meeting people, knowing people with first-name basis.
Honda truly does care about the associates, knowing that you don't have to worry about if you've got medical coverage, dental coverage, life insurance, if you even want to go that far into it. I mean, there's truly great benefits that come along with employment here.
Every associate at Honda has an opportunity to be who they want to be within the company.
You can create your own career path here. There is no cookie cutter, there is no set pattern, and so I could do whatever really I wanted to do to develop my own career.
It's incredible the opportunities that Honda has. The plant manager could start out as a line associate. If you wanted to be a technician, if you wanted to be on the design side of the product, if you wanted to be on the quality side of the product, if you actually wanted to be a person building the product, there was endless opportunities, training, and leadership to guide you in the directions that you wanted to.
All of our employees are coming in to strive to do something. The one thing that I really love about Honda is that we put programs into place that facilitate the growth of an individual based upon their own personal initiative, however far you want to go.
To move up in my Honda career, I had the opportunity of being in the mentorship program.
There's just so many facets of engineering that aren't taught in a book, and they require that experience and that mentoring, and it really feels like Honda embraces that. Honda really lets me be me by letting me mentor, by opening those doors to empower the next generation of young engineers and really get those doors open, kick them open, as it may be, so that they can come in and make an immediate impact, jump in and make those changes, see that car improve.
The Engineering Development Program is a 2-year rotational program that we use for entry-level engineers.
I went through 4 very different departments and learned very different skills that I now apply every day in my current job. The practical benefit of knowing all of these people in the different departments is that when I run into a problem, I know exactly who I can call. It's a quick phone call and I can resolve a problem very quickly on the spot.
I do have the passion to advance my career, but I also have the passion to continue to learn. When different positions or opportunities come available, I wanted to make sure personally that I was ready to compete for those positions.
They got a great app where associates can go look up information, have tuition reimbursement.
Having the tuition reimbursement program and the flexibility of adult learning, I was able to make that happen.
It's very clear on how you can be who you want to be within the company.
To me, it's very important that I work for a company that supports what I care about and what other people care about.
Honda Go is a way for people to connect with something that is important to them, but also give back to the community. Being a company that society wants to exist is not only what are we doing inside of the four walls of Honda, but what are we doing outside of the walls of Honda that truly show that we are being a company that society wants to exist.
I volunteered with many different events with Honda Go. One of my favorites was the Dragon Boat race this year. It was really a great experience. I've also done the Wilds. We cleared out brush and picked seeds that they want to replant for later purposes. And I've also volunteered with Honda Go at the zoo.
Every year we go to a soup kitchen and we prepare food and we give out food to those that are homeless and we give the kids gifts. And I think that is where the real value is. So when you look at Honda, you just don't see cars, you see people that care.
So with Honda, it's really about that one team. So we have a lot of different departments with their own focus, but if we didn't have that one team culture, we wouldn't be able to build that car for the customer. It takes a large team to build the car.
Honda wants to see all these fresh ideas coming in and people from diverse backgrounds and people that have all these different points of view and have seen, different work experiences, different life experiences.
As you look around the company, I think you see we have a bunch of business resource groups that we did not have a couple years ago.
A business resource group is an associate-led but company-supported group that represents underrepresented demographics.
People who have like affinities or like experiences can come together and find a camaraderie and support.
Honda not only supports these business resource groups, they really have removed the barriers to allow these business resource groups to get off the ground and be successful and productive.
No matter what your demographic or what your preference is, there is a group that fits what you like and what you're interested in, and it helps bring you all together.
Honda lets me be me in a lot of ways.
Honda's let me be me by giving me every opportunity I've ever wanted here that has encompassed any interest I've had or any direction that I wanted to go. Honda's been there to support me.
There is no barrier on what I can be or what I can't be. I can be myself.
The culture here is great. You have a variety, it's very diverse, but we're all one team. We all wear a white uniform. No matter your personality,
passion,
or background,
Honda lets you be you.